Andito na yung pinaka-anticipated pre-order ko of 2026. If you've been following me since September last year, ito yung pre-order ko na One Piece We Are Eternal. Tara, buksan na natin! So you guys know that I super love Frankie figures. Ang usual background ko talaga is with General Frankie in the middle. So I'm actually setting this place up as my second shoot location. So hindi mawawala yung una, madadagdagan lang tayo. So hopefully, ito naman yung maging focal point ko dito. Ito na! Oh, ganda ng box! Ito ko na ba? Shucks! Aside from me loving Frankie figures, I just really love WCF in general dahil super versatile niya. Ito na siya! So this is the color spread that the figure is based off of. So any figure that's based on anything in the manga, I eat that up. So tama na pagtingin ng pictures, let's look at the actual figure. And this is gonna be my first figure na kumpleto talaga lahat ng Straw Hat. Kaya sobrang nakaka-excite to. Nasa plastic pa lang, pero ang ganda na! Let's free the figure. First layer, we've got Brook, Luffy, and Nami. At second layer, isang buo na silang lahat. Oh my gosh! Sobrang ganda! Wait, ikabit ko lang yung mga loose para kompleto na. Oh, munti ko nang mawala. So, dito sa harap si Nami. And then, Brook. Brook has this. So, saan naman si Brook? Wait. Without looking at the picture, tingnan natin kung mahanap ko. Dito. Dito naman sa wing ni Frankie si Brook. Hindi pala kay Brook to. Kasi may sariling peg si Brook. So, para saan to? Wait. Dito ba yan? Wait. Medyo loose eh. Ayun! Nahanap ko na, so support pala to para kay Luffy dahil medyo loose si Luffy pag wala to. Yan, di na siya loose. And here it is in all its glory. Grabe, sobrang ganda na to. I think this is my best One Piece figure yet. So you've got Luffy, Zoro, Sanji, Nami, Usopp, Chopper, Robin, at ito yung may bangs na siya ulit dahil during Elbaf tong color spread na to. Frankie, of course, sobrang ganda. This is Brook and Jinbei. Grabe yung details. So comparing it to the color spread, 1:1 talaga siya. Kuwang-kuha niya. Naka-WCF style lang talaga siya. Ganda. Hindi ko itatapon yung box nito dahil sobrang ganda. Hindi ko na alam kung saan nakakahanap nito, kung meron pang stores na nagka-carry dito locally. Pero kung hahanapin nyo, the name of the figure is One Piece World Collectible Figure Premium We Are Eternal. Tama talaga ako. Ito na yung best One Piece figure ko. Kung meron din kayo, patingin!